Phú Quốc, the pearl of southwestern Vietnam. If there's a place where sunshine, turquoise sea, and dreams of escape come together, it must be Phú Quốc. When the sea calls your name. In the vast blue waters of Vietnam's southwestern coast lies an island both untouched and thriving. A place where every sunrise begins with the sound of waves, and every sunset ends in a golden blaze over the sea. This is Phú Quốc, Vietnam's largest island, lovingly called the Pearl Island, where nature, culture, and relaxation harmoniously coexist. Location and geography inIen Giang province in the Gulf of Thailand, about 45 kilometers from the mainland. Spanning nearly 600 kilometers, including the main island and 21 surrounding islands. Easily accessible via Phú Quốc International Airport, connecting to major cities in Vietnam and internationally. A tourist destination in Vietnam and Southeast Asia. Pristine nature, a tropical masterpiece. Phú Quốc is a canvas of natural beauty and biodiversity. Stunning beaches, Bai Sao, Bai Dai, Kem, soft white sands and crystal clear water. Phú Quốc National Park, the island's dream lung home to rich ecosystems. Sui Trang and Sui Da Ben streams, gentle flows winding through lush forests. Dinh Co Rock, a dramatic, cultural, and spiritual coastal landmark. Every corner is a natural photo waiting to happen. Life underwater, a hidden ocean key. Phú Quốc Sea is as rich in biodiversity as it is in beauty. Snorkeling and scuba diving at Hon Thum and Hon Mong Tay, vivid coral gardens. Night squid fishing and deep-sea excursions, a taste of ocean life like no other. Seafood delights, sea urchin, hamning crab, grouper, scallops. Paradise for ocean lovers and seafood enthusiasts. Culture and people, life in harmony with nature. The locals of Phú Quốc are known for their warmth and simplicity. Life here is deeply connected to the sea and the land. Ham Ninh Fishing Village, a glimpse into traditional island life. Fish sauce factories, producing Phú Quoc's world-famous Nuoc Mum. Pepper farms, honey gardens, and pearl farms, showcasing the island's natural bounty. Every story, every smile is steeped in ocean breeze and heartfelt connection. Luxury travel, world-class islands. Phú Quốc is also emerging as a global resort destination. 5-star beachfront resorts, JW Marriott, Intercontinental, Premier Village. Sun World Hon Thum Nature Park, with the world's longest oversea cable car. Grand World, the sleepless city, shopping, entertainment, and culture non-stop. Corona Casino, Vietnam's first legal casino open to locals. Whether you seek adventure or serenity, Phú Quốc delivers in every style. Life for non-stop. Must-visit destinations. Dung Dong Town, the island's bustling center. Dinh Co and Dinh Ba shrines, symbols of local spirituality. Phú Quốc Night Market, vibrant with street food and souvenirs. Hon Gam Gi, Hon Mei Rut, Hon Mot, untouched islands perfect for exploration. Phú Quoc's green future. As tourism thrives, Phú Quốc moves toward a sustainable green island model, reducing plastic waste and encouraging eco-travel, protecting coral reefs, marine species, and forest ecosystems, raising awareness among tourists and locals on environmental responsibility. Protecting Phú Quoc's beauty is key to preserving Vietnam's tourism legacy. Closing, a dream scented by sea breeze. If you've ever dreamed of slowing down by the sea, watching a fiery sunset beyond coconut palms, listening to the ocean's lullaby and waking with the scent of salt and wind. Then Phu Quoc is where that dream becomes real. Once you visit, your heart stays. If you've fallen in love with this island like I have, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep exploring Vietnam.